आज हम आए प्रगति मैदान में, जहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन लगी हुई है। तो सर अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताएंगे ज़रा।
Hello, myself Shubham Garg. I am from Texan Cables and Switchgears from West Delhi, Piragadi. So this is known as TPN double door. In TPN double door, we call it three-phase neutral double door, in which MCB are put, and MCB are shorted by using copper short putty. These are used in houses and as well as industry. So this is a 320 ampere changeover. In changeover, the power comes from the meter from the phase, and if power goes out, then the connection is changed to the generator. This application is basically used in industry or factory where the power is used uninterrupted.
सर इसका कितना किलोवाट तक कैपेसिटी है?
सर अराउंड 30-20 किलोवाट तक ये आराम से इसकी वोल्टेज सहन कर सकते हैं. वी हैव द एम्पियर फ्रॉम 32 एम्पियर टिल 800 एम्पियर्स. This is a bus bar. In bus bar, we use cable from meter, and we use them to distribute the power to other motors in the factory. So this is basically used in power distribution in factories as well as homes. The power is distributed by using copper. These are all modular boxes. These are all used in construction where products are put in the wall, and the electrical conduit pipe it comes wherein wire comes, and then the switches they are used. These are the fan box and concealed. These are used in linter of the house, from where the fan clamp is used, and from that the fan rod it is hung, and then the fan is used.
ये वॉल में इस्तेमाल होते हैं?
हाँ, वॉल में लेंटर में यूज होता है ये. These are all PVC shitting. These are PVC 4-inch concealed and 4-inch concealed MS. These are all used in the linter and in the construction activities. This is also Texan double door, but this is SPN double door, which is known as single phase neutral double door. In this also a range of MCBs are put, which are used in houses.
MCB box.
MCB distribution board. This is also MCB distribution board. We have a range of electrical power cables, etc. So this is a 300 square mm 3.5 core industrial cable. These are basically used in industry where high three-phase voltage is needed. These are all sizes of aluminium armored and unarmored cables. Yes. This is a 0.75 square mm panel wire.
सर कॉपर में है या
ये copper. This is
100% कॉपर.
100% copper. This is used in electrical panel where there are huge number of switches and sockets. So people use 0.5 to 0.75 square mm wire in which different connections are done. This is a board of electrical PVC items. These are all used in the construction of houses and factories also. This is a fan rod. This is a fan clamp, elbow and T. This is junction box wherein conduit pipe they are come, and through junction we can hang a bulb also through this junction box. These are round sheets. These are used in case instead of holder bulbs, and these are used instead of fan cover. Pipes. These are known as corrugated flexible pipe. These are also used in ceiling wherein wire comes, and the connections are done to the fans and the lights, etc.
फ्लेक्सिबल पाइप हर साइज में अवेलेबल
Yes, yes, from 16 mm to 50 mm. Yes.
बताइए सर.
These are the range of industrial cables which are totally manufactured by us. So the first one is the copper armored cable in which the conductor is of 100% copper. The second is the multi-core flexible cable. These are also used in industry. We have from 0.5 square mm to 4 core to 150 square mm 4 core cables. These are shielded control cable which is used in factories. It has aluminium foiling and braided which is used to prevent the electromagnetic interference. This is single core copper flexible. We have from 0.5 square mm to 400 square mm cable. This is copper control flexible. These are also used in the panel wiring, etc. We have from 2 square mm single core to 2.5 square mm 24 core. These are all jelly filled armored and unarmored cables. These are also used in the connection of telephones, etc. These are the submersible cable, aluminium armored and unarmored cable. Yes. So these are some of the range of the cable which we manufacture by ourselves. Although there are around 600 items of wires and cable which are manufactured by us, but these are some of the items which we have displayed. This is known as telephone pair cable. This is known as transparent wire. These are used in the speaker cables. This is the single core cable of 1.5 square mm and 2.5 square mm. This is the CCTV wire in which the one core is used in the video and the rest three are used in the face power. These are high flex foam cable. These are used in hand tools and other applications such as moving of speakers, etc. This is white parallel cable. It has two parallel cores which are stick each other, and we can disintegrate them also. This is the standard copper wire. This is known as fiberglass wire. Fiberglass wire are used in the heating element. It has a maximum rating temperature of around 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. This is known as Teflon wire. This wire has a tape of Teflon tape, which is PTFE tape. This has a heating range of around 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. This is single core house wiring. This is 2-core flat. This is shielded cable. This is white round flexible, and this is RG6 cable, which is used in the transmission of signals and videos. This cable is also used in our house.
सर पहले तो आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए, आपका शुभ नेम क्या है?
मेरा शुभ नाम है शुभम गर्ग।
और आपकी कंपनी का नाम बताइए।
कंपनी का नाम है टेक्सन केबल हाउस।
और आपकी जो कंपनी कहाँ पर, कौन से राज्य में है?
कंपनी दिल्ली राज्य में है।
दिल्ली में है? दिल्ली में किस जगह बताएंगे?
दिल्ली में वेस्ट दिल्ली में पिरागढ़ी।
थैंक यू सर। जैसे कि सर ने अपनी कंपनी के वायरों के बारे में पूरी डिटेल में बताई, तो मेरा ऑडियंस ये है कि किसी भी तरह की आपको रिक्वायरमेंट हो वायर से रिलेटेड, तो इनकी कंपनी से आप संपर्क करें।
yes.
और मेरे चैनल पर अगर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों में जो आपका इंतज़ार रहेगा।